welcome back to Faith IBC TV and welcome to 2019. Today I'll be doing my Trini HomeStyle French fries recipe for you, and I really hope you enjoy it. Okay, for this recipe I'll be using my deep fryer and just a few other little ingredients. I'll take you over to the ingredients right now and let's give it a go, alright? I have here 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil leaves. I've already fitted my basket with some tissue that is to absorb all of the excess oil. Let's go back over to the deep fryer now and have a look at the fries. Now that is looking good. Give this recipe a try. It's quite simple. Kids would love you for it, moms. And if you have tried it and you love it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you soon.